full system Rhino rack wheels. Rhino just released the flash rail, so that's gonna. Right, this is right as well. Rhino. Yeah, because and this one.
Rhino rack gives you replacement trims that fill this stick on nicely.
And we still have to put those sealant thing, right? So is in there. Kevin said unless if you're brave enough to do DIY alone. Experience of putting this some sort of things.
Yeah.
But how go? Rope liner still down, see this one. Yeah, so they finish everything interior. Pretty close to the shark's fin, eh? In the same time. Very slick, you can see. And if you get the handles to the so, hello again. So now we're finished for the day. Roof rack Superstore in Miranda. Backbone system done and dusted. Yes, that's it for my video, and see you on the next one.